All right, ladies and gentlemen and AI bots, hold on to your popcorn if you have some. If you don't, type in a prompt to get that popcorn ready. I'm going to show you how you can prompt AI, what the heck prompts are, and how you can also create a thumbnail in less than a minute for a YouTube video. Now, one thing I always recommend, and this is kind of on the ethics side of AI, is use your own voice. I do see 11 labs and people using it, and that's not bad if you're going to do a project outside of YouTube. However, with YouTube, there's two things to consider. A, this is your video. It's your legacy. It is YouTube, not AI tube. So you actually want your own voice in there, or preferably maybe your own face in some videos. I'm not going to say it's bad to have some AI-generated videos for education, but that being said, I recommend use your own voice. It's you. It's YouTube. Second of all, you can be creative with it. Don't just read a script. Use a script as a guideline. Now, with that being said, I am actually using something called Claude. You can find it at Claude AI. Yes, that is Claude AI, as we can see here on my screen. Now, Claude is an alternative to ChatGPT. I think it's a little bit more advanced than ChatGPT. A lot of people are showing ChatGPT. I do like Claude. So, how do I actually create a tutorial for this? Say I wanted to go ahead and make a video about Claude. Now, I'm going to do this in a few minutes. So what I would do is use prompts. Prompts are specific requests. Like if I just say, come here, that's not specific, but I say, come here, stand on your head, do some push-ups, run around in a circle, and then make a sandwich. Okay, that's an extremely specific command. So in terms of what I would write here for a title for YouTube, give me an SEO-friendly title. Now, I want it to be YouTube, right? So YouTube SEO-friendly title for how to use the Claude AI. Boom. How to use the Claude AI step by step, and actually they give you key elements right here. So this is a prompt. You can go ahead and save that, and if you actually click on my Claude AI, you can see I've been working here for a little bit. So I'm getting pretty good in the world of AI, how to use it step by step. Now, I'm going to paste that back in. I'm going to do a little thing, not how to use the Claude AI, we already got that, but give me an SEO friendly description for how to use the Claude AI. And then you probably want tags, right? So as we're thinking about it, with tags, but we don't just want any tags because we don't want to copy and paste them at once. Separated by, how do we separate tags? By commas. Boom. So give me an SEO-friendly description with tags, so by commas on how to use the Claude AI. Boom. So I have actually everything I need here. Then all we do is go over to something called Leonardo.ai. You can use Bing.ai, you can use Midjourney, but this is for free. Yes, for free. Boom, right here. Look at some of these images right here. This is pretty sweet. I like how cool this looks. So we can see image generation, canvas, motion. You can do a lot of crazy things, but I'll just do image generation here to start off. Then I can type in a prompt, AI, generate. And I have 8 tokens, so I want a free plan. But this is what's really nice. I see a lot of people saying you have to use Midjourney or Wall-E. Look, if you're only creating a couple videos per day, you get the tokens. You can always use Bing AI. You can always vary it up. So these are different ways I'm showing you how to do this completely for free. Now if I say, maybe I don't like that, that's fine. I can type in artificial intelligence tutorial. We're getting a little bit more sophisticated. I spelled artificial wrong. All right, let's do a little bit better here so we can kind of see, you can kind of see my thought process, and I'm doing this in only a few minutes. So I'm really trying to beat the record on most of the other YouTubers who are like, hey, you got to do this to create a video. It's actually much easier. You just hook up your AI or you hook up your mic and you're good to go. So you can see some of these here. And I can keep playing with this. As you can see, I have a lot of different credits. You can also change the style. So if you click on none, it'll also generate its kind of own style. Sometimes it does it Leonardo style, but if you have a specific purpose or a specific thumbnail, then you can go ahead and play with that. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and play with these different things, play around with them, see how it looks. I actually think this looks kind of cool here, so I'm going to click download. And then I allow it to download, and then I literally have everything for a YouTube video. And you can do this with how-tos, you can do this with different types of tutorials, and then all I need to do is come back to YouTube. We can see my channel here. We can see the content I just uploaded. So I come to create, upload video, select file. Now, I don't have this file yet, so I gotta go ahead and finish recording it. But if I did, just to show you how I would do it, I'll just grab Claude right here. And I just come over, grab this title. I use Claude complete. Look how nice this is. Boom, boom, boom. Grab the description. Boom. And no, not made for kids. All that fun stuff. Now, tags used to take a very long time back in the day. YouTube, not anymore. Copy, paste. And I got a high vidIQ score, and I also have my thumbnail ready. Oh wait, where's my thumbnail? Oh yeah, that's right. I downloaded it from AI. So that's all I had to do to get started. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I hope it was. I think this is pretty easy to follow and pretty easy to work with. And now you can make awesome things right here, or you can literally pick one of the AI templates that it creates. And that's how simple it is to get started. So let me know what you thought in the comment section below. That's my quick Claude AI tutorial on how to generate a YouTube video. And if this was helpful to you, definitely smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to learn next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay artificial, stay excellent.